In the previous video, we looked at how to build this 3D printed piston filler, and we even managed to test the machine by filling a few bottles. But the real success of this machine is in its ability to consistently fill bottles to the same level. So in this video, we will do an actual production run of plus minus 50 bottles. We will then measure the consistency of the filling, and that we will do with a scale. The results should then tell us if you could actually run production with this machine or not. In order for us to fill the bottles, we first need to set the filler to the correct level. We do this by first reducing the pressure in the system so we can push the piston forward. This will then allow us to move the nut to the desired position for the correct filling volume. Once we are satisfied that the stopper is set to the correct position, we can turn the pressure in the system back to where it was, and we should be ready to run. Now that we have all the data, we can do a quick analysis of the repeatability of the machine. We know that the set value is 150 grams. We see that the highest level we measured is at 152.5 grams. That gives us an upper limit of 1.67% above the set value. We also see that the lowest level measured is at 148.5 grams, which gives us a variation of 1% below the set value. Overall, I believe that the machine did what it was intended to do, and I'm confident that we managed to build a simple 3D printed piston filler that is actually capable of filling bottles consistently. Please share your thoughts on this project in the comments below and any suggestions on future projects you would like to see. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of my work, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below to keep updated with any new videos I release.